Let's get some peppers to eat. Okay. Oh, what are you doing there? I'm waiting 6 to get the peppers. Oh, okay. There's this. A heavy pepper. So heavy. Oh, I'm smelling some pepper. I'm smelling peppers. Oh no, I'm feeling a tiny bit of tickles. Achoo! That's not the same as the size. But it's achoo! 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 Hey, where's the friends of achoo? Achoo! That's all the way up there. On the way, oh, that can be an Numberblock, but you should stand it up and that's opening on the roads. Achoo! That's a French thing of What's that sound? What's happening? What's happening? Oh, not hiccups, but this. What's that happening? Oh. I don't know how to. I know how to do. Go from the knife and tickly, boo! What's happening? Oh, magical 9. Oh no. Oh. 1-9. Freeze. 9 ones. think that's now really great. Achoo! That's always been another thing in Octoblock. That feels like some Octo sneeze. It's time for some magical tricks. Here to go in the sneeze tricks. On achoo! That's the one trick. The magical trick. A magical trick for Octo Naughty. No.